Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can manage your firewall as well as how you can edit rules in your firewall as well as how you can allow any application in your firewall. So let's do it. Okay. So first of all, firewall, you have to open your control panel. I'll open the control panel. When you search control, you can see the control panel option here. Okay, so open the control panel. When you open the control panel, you have to select the large icon. Okay, I have already selected the large icon, and this is the Windows Defender. Okay, so this is the Windows Defender option. So you have to click on Windows Defender option. When you click on Windows Defender option, so here turn on and turn off. Okay, you can see this option, and left hand side turn Windows Defender on or off. Okay, so this one. Okay, by default, if you don't have any other firewall, it automatically turn on your laptop, on your Windows. Okay, so you can see this option. Okay, block all the incoming connection, include those in the list of allowed app. If suppose that if there is some emergency, you can check this option and secure your computer whenever you want. Okay, so this is both option are same, so you can see. Okay, let me show you another thing that allow an apps or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, now you can see you can add other features just like this. I have clicked on this option, allow another app. I can select any other app, just like any kind of game, just like Call of Duty or other games. Okay, I can add and allow those game in my firewall. Okay, so then there is one more option, advanced settings. When you see in advanced setting, there are some rules, inbound and outbound rules. Okay, you can add or configure inbound rule or outbound rule from here. Okay, so that's it for today. And there one more option, you can access the firewall through the settings, but I like by the control panel. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.